Hey y'all, I'm Mallie Reichard. I'm a licensed physical therapist and a Pilates instructor here at EW Motion Therapy in Birmingham, Alabama. Today, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Pilates journey with 3 simple exercises you can do right now from your living room floor. No fancy equipment needed. What's cool is by the end of this video, you'll have strengthened your core, improved your posture, and have gotten a little taste of how amazing Pilates can be for you. And if you're still not sure if Pilates is right for you, check out our frequently asked questions in the description. Finally, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll get notified the moment we post another wellness video that actually works. Let's get moving. All right, we're going to start with the Pilates classic, the 100. This exercise is incredible for core strength and getting your blood flowing. Here's how we do it. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your head and shoulders off the ground, and when you're lifting your head, think about pulling your belly button to your spine. Now extend your arms at your side and pump them like you're going up and down, slapping the water. You're going to breathe in for 5 arm pumps and then breathe out for 5 arm pumps. The goal is that you try to get to work up to 100 pumps total. That's why we call this Pilates exercise the 100. Really important tip. If lifting your head causes any pain or discomfort, lie your head back down on the floor and focus just on your arms pumping and breathing. Remember, this exercise is designed to fire up your deep core muscles while improving circulation throughout your entire body. Now that we've warmed up with the 100, let's work on the single leg stretch. This exercise is designed to build up your core stability and hip flexibility to prevent lower back pain. And it's a game changer for anyone who sits at a desk all day. We're going to get back down on the floor, lying on your back with your head and your shoulders lifted. First up, bring one knee in towards your chest and extend the other leg about a 45-degree angle. Here's where you'll really start to feel the workout. You're going to switch your legs slowly in a controlled, flowing motion while keeping both your core and your breath engaged the entire time. The key here is control. We're not just moving your legs around. Each movement should be deliberate and smooth. Your goal is to try to get to 10 to 15 reps on each side. And if you're feeling a small amount of pressure of stretching in your hip flexors, that's totally normal and actually a good sign. Before I lead you through our final exercise, please give this video a thumbs up if the first 2 exercises helped you feel stronger. All right, our final exercise is called the roll-up. And it's the ultimate test of your core strength. It's designed to improve your spinal flexibility, and it's perfect for improving your posture, especially if you spend hours hunched over at a computer or on your phone. Most importantly, don't worry if you can't do the full version right away. We've got the modifications to get you started. Start by lying down with your arms reaching up towards the ceiling. You're going to start by slowly rolling up one vertebrae at a time, reaching towards your toes. Then, reverse that movement, rolling back down with slow control. Now, if this version is too challenging, try reaching your arms forward and using momentum to help, or bend your knees ever so slightly. The goal is smooth, controlled movement, not just flopping around like a fish. And that's it. 3 simple beginner Pilates exercises that, when done consistently and correctly, can help you stay pain-free for years to come. But remember, Pilates basics are just a starting point when you're looking to stay and feel younger and pain-free for longer in life. The best way to make Pilates a part of your daily movement routine is to find a certified Pilates instructor who can help you with each exercise and make small corrections to your movements. So that way you're getting the most out of your workouts. This is definitely true if you're using Pilates as a method to help strengthen your body for athletic performance or after an injury. As an example, at our EW Motion Therapy clinics, we combine traditional Pilates principles with our physical therapy expertise. Our instructors correct our clients' movement patterns that could be causing them pain, limiting their mobility, or keeping them from reaching their athletic goals. Plus, our top-of-the-line Pilates equipment, like the reformer and the tower, provides resistance training and support that you simply cannot get on your living room floor. So here's my challenge for you. Try the 3 exercises I showed you for the next week. Do them every other day and really focus on quality over quantity. Pay attention to how your core feels, whether your posture improves, and if you notice any changes in your daily movement. And if after a week you're feeling any stronger and want to dive deeper, or if you're dealing with any specific pain or movement issues, that's when EW Motion Therapy Pilates becomes a total game changer. For more information on our programs, you can visit the Pilates page on our website at ewmotiontherapy.com or use the link below. And if you're in the Birmingham or Tuscaloosa, Alabama area, we'd love to see you in one of our clinics. We offer private, duo, and group Pilates sessions, so we're here when you're ready to take your movement to the next level. Thanks for moving with me today. And at EW Motion Therapy, we're here to help you move better, feel better, and discover what your body is truly capable of. Hope to see you in the next video.